We are back with our weekly financial forecast on 13 News Now at 4:30. Tim Fitzwilliams from Fitzwilliams Financial joins us as always. Thank you. Good to see you.
Thank you.
All right.
Good to see you as well.
We are going to talk about consumer confidence because we know that it is down. You know, with gas prices the way that they are, some other prices up, you can understand why. Your take on like this new report that has it at like a 70-year low.
Absolutely. Yeah, the new report shows that it is low. And what does that mean in terms of the market? Well, what's unique is that it kind of tells us that people are taking more of a critical thinking approach to their investments because the market is doing well.
Yeah.
So there's no longer this feeling of FOMO or I need to get on the next best thing. People are really kind of taking their time to analyze and get into the market, but they're still investing. They haven't stopped. It's just kind of made things kind of pause a little bit in terms of when I should jump into something, which I think is really important. That's healthy for the market, and we're seeing that. The confidence is low, like you said.
Right.
The market is going up.
Because we are getting ready to ride the biggest wave, the IPO wave in history. We have those three big companies, SpaceX, Anthropic, and OpenAI.
Yep.
But they're not profitable right now. So, I mean, what does that mean for the 3 million? They're saying they're going to add 3 million.
3 trillion.
Oh, 3 trillion. That's what I meant. Yeah, 3 trillion.
A bit different.
Yeah. So, I mean, what does that mean for people who were like, oh, I got to get in on that?
Exactly, right? So then we're talking about how we're doing so well, that the market's going up, and then consumer confidence is low, where they're being responsible and critically thinking. And then here comes these wonderful IPOs that everybody wants to jump in. Look, Janet, I believe you should look at that like Vegas money, right? Diversification from a standpoint.
No.
Well, diversification from a standpoint that you never want to have more than 5% of one thing in a good diversified portfolio. So look, if you want to play with it, if you want to try to get in on it, that's fine. But take it with a grain of salt.
Okay.
Don't rearrange everything so that you can do that, right? Be responsible about it and treat it like a high-risk investment, which is what it is.
Right.
There's a lot of concern that if you're going to try to get in, realize that when you place that order, it might actually execute differently than what you had asked for because of the amount of volume of folks that are trying to get in. So again, have some fun with it, but don't rearrange your portfolios to try to get in on the hype.
All right, so maybe just dip your toes in, maybe your foot, but don't jump all the way in.
That's exactly right. Exactly.
Because I mean, the concern that I had, and of course you know so much more than I do about this, is that those companies aren't necessarily getting profits right now.
Yeah, so we've seen that in the past. There was a time when Amazon came out and it wasn't profitable. So you're right, the fundamentals are not there. The idea is that the fundamentals will be there, but then the question becomes that, what type of multiple should be applied to them?
Right.
Right? What should be applied? And fundamentals are a key thing. So hopefully it stays within like a normal range.
Okay.
It's probably going to be a little while though, because there's a lot of hype behind it.
Yeah,
but you are 100% right. The fundamentals are not there yet, and we just don't know. So that's why I say just take it easy and maybe try it out. But let's not go crazy with it.
Let's not go crazy. Everybody be patient. All right. Thank you so much. And the financial forecast airs every Tuesday, 4 p.m. news. If you have questions you want answered, you can email us at financialforecast@13newsnow.com. Connor.